Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about transportation and public services in a city by practicing the use of compound nouns and expressions of quantity. Okay, what do we call a police officer who is a man? That's right, a policeman. What do we call the car he drives? Yes, a police car. So policeman and police car are compound nouns or nouns that consist of two or more words. We need to point out here that some compound nouns are written as one word and others are written as two separate words. Listen to comments from 3 different speakers about transportation services and answer these 3 questions. First, which speaker says the biggest problem is parking? Second, which speaker says it's dangerous for bicyclists? And third, which speaker says the buses are old and slow?
The buses are old and slow, and they cause too much pollution. In cities with less pollution, people are healthier.
There are too many cars. All the cars, taxis, and buses are a danger to bicyclists. There is too much traffic.
There should be fewer cars, but I think that the biggest problem is parking. There just isn't enough parking.
The buses are old and slow, and they cause too much pollution. In cities with less pollution, people are healthier.
There are too many cars. All the cars, taxis, and buses are a danger to bicyclists. There is too much traffic.
There should be fewer cars, but I think that the biggest problem is parking. There just isn't enough parking.
Now, please check your answers. In the previous listening activity, the speakers use expressions of quantity with count and non-count nouns. Count nouns have a plural form, usually with as, because they are considered separate and countable things. For example, a car, 2 cars, 3 cars. Non-count nouns do not have a plural form because they are impossible to separate and count. For example, traffic, pollution, parking. So, when we want to use expressions of quantity too many with cars as the count noun, we have to use there are. Then, when we want to use expressions of quantity too much with traffic as the uncount noun, we have to use there is. The expressions of quantity like too few and fewer must be used with count nouns. For the uncount nouns, we can use too little and less. Now, feel free to pause this video to study this grammar focus box. Okay, it is the time to practice using expressions of quantity with count and non-count nouns by talking about transportation and public services in a city. Now, please go to Google Classroom of this course and download the Zaima file. Good luck and thanks for watching.